When we open the model up now, you see that there are two squares. I'm gonna make them more visible. This is the first square. And this is the second square. These two squares build these little triangles here. And from here, from the tip of the triangle, if you go downward to the square again, there's a crease intersection with a middle line. On every little triangle there is this crease intersection. All around. And this crease intersection now becomes important, since we want parallel line to these middle lines that begin at these crease intersections. So now I want one that is parallel to this line that begins here. I hold the paper here, fold it over so that the middle line here meets itself on the top. And you see, here is this little triangle, and I flatten the paper out to the side, like this. If I open it up again, you see, here's the middle line, and here's a crease parallel to it, beginning at this crease intersection. Now, I turn the paper a bit, and take this crease intersection to make a crease parallel to this middle line. Once again, hold the crease here, fold it up to align the middle line, and flatten it to the side. Open it up. Here's a parallel line to this middle line. Turn the paper, take this crease intersection, and do the same thing again, all around. Just like this. Put this here. Now we need one like this. Okay, all done. You see, here's one, here's one, here's one, here's one, here's one, here's one, and here's one. Very good. Now, we mount and fold the paper in half. And you see, here is this inner triangle. And we want to bisect the angle between this triangle and the outer edge. To do so, we hold this edge and fold down the side to the triangle and only crease until the crease we just made. It's running here. For the case you don't see it, I may redraw it. Okay, so I fold this here, and now you see, here's the crease we just made. make it sharp, and turn it over to the other side again. Repeat on the other side here. Fold over, turn the paper over, and reinforce the crease. Then we open it, turn it around, and repeat it on this side. Okay, so now we've done the horizontal lines. Now we're gonna do the diagonals. It's the same procedure as before, with the only difference that we now use this triangle here. And fold the side here. Once again, down to this crease. I'm gonna show it again. Here's the crease. So if I turn it over and make this fold, you see it runs until here. Turn it over, flatten it, reinforce it. On the second side. Turn around, and the third side, and on the last side. Now I open up the paper and all the pre-creasing is done.